So, last classes we have seen that how to extract data from SAP extractors. Few master data sources and transactional data sources, whatever SAP given. So we know how to extract data from SAP ECC to BW or SAP S/4HANA to BW. So sometimes we will get a situation we need to create the data source. So till now, SAP given the data sources that we are using. Okay. So sometimes we need to create the data sources. So whatever SAP given data sources, okay, SAP given data sources, ready-made data sources, you will find here. Okay, ready-made data sources. Ready-made data sources list you will identify in the RSFIT code. So sometimes we need to create data sources. Based on we need to create data sources. Data source, data sources based on our requirement. Our requirement means um, so might be business will have own tables, custom tables. So now you can see, right? These are all SAP tables only. Okay, these are all SAP tables only. So that is the way they have created inbuilt. So sometimes business will have, so like this we have it. Okay, some custom tables would be there. So in that situations we need to create based on this table. SAP don't know these tables. Okay, so based on this requirement we need to create the new generic data source. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so we saw in the above LO extractors. This is all come LO extractor steps. LO extractors. Now we are discussing about generic data sources. Generic data sources are custom data sources. So mostly SAP data sources will start with the number.
Screen
G.
now.
Hello, Anna.
Ah,
Anna, we are not able to see your screen, Anna.
okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, now.
Yeah, Anna.
Yeah. So mostly these data sources, whatever data source name started with the zero material zero, okay, whatever data source started with the zero number or two number or any number, it is started with the data source. Okay, that is given by SAP. Okay, we saw this last week LO extractors. So now we are going to create generic data sources or custom data sources. Okay, these data sources will start with Z or Y. For example, I wanted to create Z custom data source. So like this, I will give name, or else I will give like this. Will give name. Mostly in the real time, Z or Y, it will be there. So that means custom data source. So we are creating the data source. Okay, in the SAP system, we have multiple SAP tables as well. So like this VBAC and VBAP, MARA, MACD, NAK1, okay, LFA1, LFA1. These are all SAP tables. These are all SAP tables. So they know already, okay, SAP tables, they will create based on these data sources. But in the real time, these are the tables. So how will they will create? Okay, so this is basic customer specific requirement. So we need to create the generic data. How where you will create the data source? See, yellow extractors and all you are going to activate in RSFIO. You are activating RSFIO. The data source available in RSA6. You will check into the RSA3 level. That you will do it, right? So for the generic data source, you will create into the RSA2 level. Okay. So we'll see the practically as well. So we will create generic data source based on the four options. Based on the four options. Very, very important this one. Four options like table, view, infoset function model. So fourth one is very important. Okay. For every interview, they will ask you. Every interview question, they will ask you. Fourth question. Okay. So mostly they will ask you this how you will create the custom data source. At least have you involved to creation of generic data source. They will mention sometimes generic data source or custom data source. You need to familiar with this. Okay. Custom data source or generic data sources. They will mention that. Okay, then yeah, I have involved to creation of generic data source by using T code RSO2. This is T code. By using T code RSO2 based on this below options. Based on the table I created, based on the view I created, based on the info set created, based on the function model also I involved. So we will create the generic data source based on this table, based on these options. Based on the table created, based on the view created, based on the info set created, based on the function model also we created. Okay, so how we will do example? Okay, you can go. When you will go requirement for creation of generic data source, when business requirement is not suitable with okay, here is see when you will go see this is the screen okay RSO2. When we will go to the business require this RSO2 when business requirement is not suitable with existing data sources, then we will create the custom data source. Data source based on our requirement. Okay. So here again we having see this is a T code RS4 T code. Or else you can go to here also one more option SBIW. There is one more T code SBIW. See here where is the option here? You can see generic data sources. When you click on maintain generic data sources, it will take you to the same screen. See? See, I am having two screens here. This screen also same, that screen also same. Clear. See here, we having different options. Transactional data source. Transactional data source means what? Transactional data source means what? Transactional data source means you should have at least one key figure. Okay? Clear? Mandatory one key figure. Clear, boss? At least we should have one key figure. And master data attributes means this is attributes. So example, we have a zero material, right? Zero material, right? Under this we having material type, material group. These are all attributes. Material color. So these are all, what is this? These are all attributes only. Okay, text means what? Whenever I create text, whenever we create info object, how many tables will create? 10 tables will create, right? So in the 10 table, okay, T means what? T means text table, right? Do you remember? Slash BAC slash. This is the T table, right? So when we load the text there, and then so T table will fill it. When we load the text, T table will fill it. When we load fill, when we load master data attributes, then P table or Q table will fill. P or Q table will fill. Okay. Okay. Let me log in BW system as well. I will show you. Example, we have a material. Okay. So I'm giving it. Go to display. So here, this means what? This means we already maintain the master data. Okay. See here, text is there. Master data attributes are there. Maintain it. This is text is there. Okay. This means hierarchy maintained it. So we don't have compounding maintained it. Okay. So this is attributes. These are all attributes only. When we load data, when we load master data attributes, then it will fill P table or Q table. Okay. When we load text, text table will fill. Text will have only texts. Text table will have only text. Okay. So there is a issue. Okay. Like this we'll have to do it. Okay. And then we'll create it here. So how you will load the data? So we'll see. Example, I'm trying to create one object. I'm trying to create one object. What is that? Text table. I will create one text table. Fine. But I need to create ZDS underscore KNA1. Okay, I want to bring only customer information. Okay, create. Okay, I'm selecting one option. See, like this, you need to create in the real time as well. So, customer text. I want customer text. So, very simple way we'll create it. So simple, just save it. This is our data source name, ZDS underscore KNA1. Okay, I'm creating local object. In the real time, you need to create not local object. So this is the, okay, where is text? Save. So now you can see class of RSA3. See here, and now you execute it. Can you see the text now? So if you are seeing only 10,000 records, then you can increase your data records in the RSA3 level. See, total 19,000 records would be there. Shut. I need to click on ELB grid. If you want to see the data, then you need to click on ELB grid. This is RSA3 level. So here, this is customer name, number, customer number. This is customer name. Okay. So this is only right. Text. What is the text? See, what is the text? This is the text. This is a customer. One means what? Mohan. One means Mohan. Example. Two means Venkat. Okay. 10 means Inna. So like this, we having these are the customer numbers. This is the customer names. So I want only text, right? And then I will bring this data source into BW. How you will bring it? How you will bring the data source into BW? So go to here. How to log in BW system? You already logged in, right? See, this is only right. We created data source. So this is the way we are replicating from ECC to BW. We created this data source into where? This system. And we need to replicate into BW. Via this transaction code RSDS. This is the RSDST code. I replicated. Okay. So now what I need to do? We need to activate this data source. How we will activate? RSA1. Okay, go to here and we need to select only data source option and search it. See, this is in inactive mode. This means what? Not equal means inactive. Okay, go to change mode. So you should be in the position to do all these activities in the real time. Okay, now what I will do? I will create one customer object. Okay, info object I will create it. Or else do we have any customer info objects? Let me check. Here we have gcust2, gcust1. Yes, we have it. Go to here and they maintain only text also. They maintain it medium text. Okay, fine. Okay. So I will map to this. Okay. So go to here. You know, right, how to create info object. That is already there. Okay. See here. I just whatever they created info object, I just opening it. See here. I am loading to our data source name. Right click. So how you are getting the data from source system to BW like this? What is our data source name? What is our system name? If you don't know, click on this. Okay, if you don't know, click on this and you enter. See, automatically our source system name will come. See, text only. Okay, now here you can see here, we need customer ID. What is our customer ID? This is only first one, Kunal. Customer ID. then customer ID, and then this is text. Text means what? Name one. Name one. This is only name one. We need customer name, right? Yes. Okay, activate it. And just activate it. So, how many customers coming to my store? What are those names? That is, we are trying to identify it. How many customers are coming daily? What are those names? That details we are loading. Text means what? All customer names are required. Okay. So like this you need to do. In the real time, very, very important. So also you need to create one info package as well. Right click here and create info package. You need to do all these practicals in front of me. Because in the real time you need to do this task and all. So I activated, data was requested, go to here monitor. So here, how many records we got? 19,000 something, right? Okay. So if having some issue, then it will be like no. Check this request is coming or not in the source level. We will check this connection because sometimes this job we need to generate in the source system level. Okay. Start and then check it. It's not generating at all. It's not generating at all. There is a problem. So in the real time, when we click on this, data will come. There is a problem. The service API. This is application program interface. So we will have connection from between BW to ECC. So we need to connect to this guy. Still connection is okay, but job is not generating. What is our system name? There is problem actually. IDOCs are not sending to BW. See, incomplete control parameters for communication. There is a problem. So IDOCs intermediate documents is not sending to BW. Actually, this is will take care, will send to the BW. We need to connect to the server guy. They will do some settings in the real time. We will connect to the base system. We will send we will send email to the basis guy in this situation. Hi basis team, hi team. We unable to fetch the data from unable to fetch the data from SAP ECC to BW due to after generate after execute the info package. The job is not generating in the source system. ఎలా పెట్టేసి మీరు ఈ జాబ్ నేమ్ ఇస్తారు. గో టు హెడర్ అండ్ టేక్ ది జాబ్ నేమ్. సో ఇది ఇస్తారు. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం పంపించాలి. So that base system will help you. We enable to fetch the data from SAP CTBW after execute the info package. The job is not generating in the source system level. Could you please as soon as possible? Okay, like this you can send. Okay, so like this you need to send it. And you can take the screenshot and you can send it. How you will take the screenshot? Okay, you just take control, you just control R and snipping, type like this. Snipping tool, take this and take the screenshot. Okay, and you can go to what is this one, copy, and you can paste in the your email. So basically in the notepad we cannot copy, but you can, okay, in the email you can paste it. Okay, control V, it will paste into the. So this is the way we will do it. Okay, if it is a BW4 HANA, we'll try. Okay, in BW4 HANA also we'll try. Let me go here. We are facing a issue in the BW and HANA, right? Let me do it in BW, this one, BW 7.4. Let me log in this one. All systems are same only. RSDS decode. So what is our data source name? This one. What is our source system? This one. So is it replicating? See, this is replicate data source. We need to click and click OK. Click OK. Same concept only here and there. Okay. Here we have a OK. And the data source is replicated. Go to RSA1 and replicate, activate the data source. In the real time, okay, you need to do same. ds underscore knya1. Select this option and click search. See, it is in inactive mode. So we activated in 7.5, not 7.0. Now I'm edit and activate it. So once you do, so it will be in the active position. You can use it. See, does not exist. Once active, then it will be. See here, you can see here, active, and now you can use it as executable as well. And then check all your fields came or not. Okay, from ECC to BW came or not. Then you can replicate into here and create info package. Okay, now you can do execute. So I'm just executing. So here also will face same issue or not, we'll see. So here also I'm facing same issue, service API. There is a issue. We need to send email to the where you got server. You got one email, right, from server guy. You need to send the email. I'm unable to fetch the data from the system. So that they will rectify in the backend. So in the real time, you need to send email to the basis guy. They will do the basis admin activity. So generally BW consonant will not do anything in this case. So from our side, we'll check connection is okay or not. So connection is fine now. Can see connection is okay. So in this case, connection is fine, but we are not getting the data. Okay. So like this, we need to check it. Okay. Let me try in the BW4 HANA, how it is working. Where is that? HANA Studio. If you guys comes tomorrow or day tomorrow or today, I will show you, okay, in the real time what we have generic data sources in the real time. Same you need to do practices. See, here BW perspective we have to go. See, right, this option after long time we are going BW modeling and you need to do practicing. So expand this option and log in this one, same password. Once you log in, search for our data source. What is our data source? Let me check. This data source, right? Okay. So now I'm trying to replicate. Right click here. This is right, and I'm trying to replicate it. So when click on replicate, it will bring all the data sources, whatever we have in the source system level. But it will take some time. Wait for time. So we need to remove all the checkbox and whatever we created recently that we need to select it. So in real time, we need to remove all and select only whatever we want to replicate. Don't replicate all the data sources, replicate only whatever we require. Because somebody done changes for other data sources, those changes will come to your bucket. So that means you do some changes in the source system, they will come and catch you. So don't replicate all the data sources, replicate whatever you created in the source system. Okay, we will get some pop-up. So there we will check our checkbox. Wait for 1 minute and we'll get it. That's it. This Friday I will explain you one project completely and we will develop one project end to end. Okay, if you guys okay, then I will create it by yourself. Okay, I will give the flow steps I will give and you can share your screen and you can do steps. One project end to end. Or else I will do it.
Anna, even in real time, will it take same time, Anna?
Not this much, but only in the real time also it will take 1 minute, not this much time.
Okay, okay, Anna.
Mm. It will take time in real time also, but not this much time.
Okay.
Same activity only. In the real time also, same steps we will perform. There is no change.
Okay, Anna.
If you come today or tomorrow, I will show you also.
Okay, Anna. From tomorrow, I'll be coming, Anna.
Yeah, yeah. You both come and I will show you in the real time system.
Sure, Anna.
Hmm.
Okay, now.
Actually, this is BW4 HANA replication. So for BW on HANA, BW we did by using RSDS. But here this different step, okay?
Okay, Anna.